Removal of Dongfeng Cummins engine camshaft. Dongfeng Cummins 6BT 5.9 series engines are widely used in export-oriented construction machinery. It is popular due to its high power, low fuel consumption and stable quality. Recently, a customer reported to us that the Dongfeng Cummins engine of their load roller had abnormal noise. On-site testing showed that there was indeed a malfunction with abnormal noise in the engine. It is necessary to check the engine oil and consult the operator about the condition before and after the engine malfunction. Based on the situation learned on site and the location of abnormal noise, we have decided to remove the valve cover first and check the valve clearance. After inspection, it was found that the exhaust valve clearance of the third cylinder was very large, which can be concluded that the problem has basically been found. Firstly, confirm that the valve adjusting bolt is not loose, and then remove the valve rocker arm of the third cylinder. Pull out and confirm that the exhaust valve tappet rod is not bent and deformed, and is in normal state. Then, there must be a problem with the camshaft and the tappet that will lead to the abnormal valve clearance. We need to remove the radiator at the front of the engine and some peripheral accessories before disassembling the camshaft, such as the fuel filters, feed pump and its pipelines, air conditioning compressor and its bracket, pulley, tensioner and its support, tappet edge cover, and take out all tappet rods. Remove the timing gearbox cover. Turn the crankshaft. Use a tool to pull all the tappets up, and fix the tappets with appropriately sized O-rings. Turn the crankshaft to align the timing marks of the fuel injection pump gear, camshaft gear and crankshaft gear. Move the camshaft carefully. We can see that the exhaust cam of the third cylinder on the camshaft has obvious abnormal wear. Remove the oil pan and take out 12 pieces tappets one by one from top to bottom. It can be seen that the exhaust valve tappet of the third cylinder is seriously worn. The next step is to clean all the removed parts, protect the service site and wait for the new parts, with special attention to not turning the timing gear before reinstalling.